Dear students, our today's topic is letter writing. Letter writing is one of the most important aspects of our writing skill. According to your syllabus, we can divide letter writing into three parts. The first one, official or business letters. For making inquiries, registering complaints, placing orders and sending their replies. The second one, letters to the editor. For giving suggestions on an issue. And the third one is application for a job. So far, your examination is concerned, two types of letters will be asked and you have to write one out of two letters based on verbal input. And this question carries 10 marks. Now, I am showing you the allocation of marks. Out of 10 marks, 3 marks for format, 5 marks for content and 2 marks for expression. ये जो एलोकेशन है मार्क्स का ये एकदम निश्चित नहीं है, लेकिन पिछले हम कुछ सालों से देखते आ रहे हैं कि बोर्ड के द्वारा हमें इसी प्रकार से मार्किंग स्कीम भेजी जाती है. नाउ आई एम शोइंग यू द डिटेल्स अबाउट एलोकेशन ऑफ मार्क्स. हियर यू कैन सी द फर्स्ट वन इज फॉर्मेट or layout. As I told you earlier, it carries 3 marks. Format contains sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation, complimentary clause, and name or designation of the writer. The second one is content. Content, it includes your creativity in presenting ideas which are relevant to the topic. The content must be very clear and there should be an effective communication. So here you can see our content must be very relevant and there should be an effective communication. We can divide content into 3 parts. The first one is introductory part, the second one is main part and the third one is conclusion. Okay? In introductory part, we introduce the theme of our letter. जो हमारी लेटर का थीम है, जो टॉपिक है, it will come in introductory part. The second one is main part. It deals with the problem or issue. In fact, it is the real content of our letter. And the third one is conclusion. It gives the conclusion or offers suggestions. Okay? Now, the third aspect is expression. It carries 2 marks. We can also divide expression into 2 parts. The first one is fluency and the second one is accuracy. So fluency, अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि what is fluency, तो आप कह सकते हैं कि fluency is the ability to present your ideas. But before giving answer of your letter, you must prepare a rough draft. And for making draft, you have to follow some process. And this is the process. At first, you will think about your letter. Then connect all ideas and put them down. After that, you arrange them in sequence. And at the last, you will close your letter on a positive note. आपको लेटर एक पॉजिटिव नोट पे क्लोज करना है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप लिख सकते हैं, you can write, therefore I request you to please look into this matter and get the problem removed as soon as possible. Now the second point is accuracy. In our letter writing, we should use simple and effective sentences. Our structure of sentences should be very correct and there should be no grammatical mistakes. Now I am showing you the structure of a letter. Here you can see there are 8 important parts in official or business letter. The first one is sender's address. At first, in letter writing, you will write sender's address. But remember one thing, you will never write his name. Just write his address. After sender's address, you will write date. और जो डेट होगी वो आपको पूरी लिखनी होगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 30 अप्रैल 2020 और यू कैन राइट अप्रैल 30, 2020। इसको आप 30 अप्रैल 2020 को 30 देन 04 देन 2020 ऐसे मत लिखिए, बल्कि फुल डेट आप इसको लिखिए। After writing the date, you will write receiver's address. Here you can also write receiver address, not his name. It is also called address of addressee. After writing receiver's address, you will write subject. And remember one thing, the subject of your letter should be as short as it can be possible. After writing subject, you will write salutation. In salutation, you write just sir or ma'am. After salutation, our main body or content start. And then complimentary close. The complimentary close should be in a single word or phrase. आपका जो complimentary close है वो एक word या phrase में होना चाहिए. For example, yours faithfully or yours sincerely. And after that, name, signature, block. In the end, we will write name or signature. The complimentary closing line is followed by signature block. It includes your name and designation. And remember one thing, an unsigned letter has no mark. अगर किसी लेटर में सिग्नेचर नहीं है तो उसे अच्छा नहीं माना जाता है, इसीलिए you will write name and signature at the end of your letter. So these are some important aspect of a letter writing. So dear students, here you can see this is a format of an official letter. At first you will write sender's address. After writing sender's address, you will leave a space. And remember one thing, you will write only his address, not his name. Then you will write date. और डेट जो आप लिखेंगे वो पूरी लिखेंगे as 30 April, 2020 or April 30, 2020. After writing the date, you will also leave a space and then you will write receiver's address. Here you will also write just his name, just his designation and address, not his name. ठीक है? After receiver's address, once again leave a space and then your subject will come. And as I told you earlier, your subject should be as short as it can be possible. Then salutation will come. In salutation, you just write sir or ma'am. And then your main body will start. After completing main body, here you will write complimentary close. In complimentary close, you just write yours faithfully or yours sincerely. Okay? And then the signature block. In signature block, you will write your name and signature. And remember one thing, an unsigned letter has no value. और एक चीज आपको और बता दूं, this is your margin line. ठीक है? और आपको जो लेटर शुरू करनी है वो बिल्कुल इस मार्जिन लाइन से शुरू करनी है और हर चीज जो है वो बिल्कुल सीक्वेंस में आनी है, यानी आपको इंडेंट का ध्यान रखना है. Mind the indent. So this is the format of a letter. That is all for today. I hope you will enjoy it.